Baby, do you hear that sizzling meat? Yes, look at that brownness. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to eat my steak. This must have been the first day that I bought the George Foreman grill and I tried it for the first time, and I was so excited. Look at that steak. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited, ready to eat it. So it comes with a booklet that tells you the food / your grill position, as well as the setting and cooking time, the minimum food temperature, as well as tips and comments on how to cook the food. Go and run and get you one.